Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Amzolin K, and today I'm bringing you guys another hair video. It's a little bit different though, because I'm going to be giving my husband a haircut. As you know, we are on lockdown, hashtag quarantine. So all the salons are closed, and we got bored in the house. You see how long his hair is? He needs a haircut. So I am not a professional hair cutter, but I am going to try my best and make him look good. So if you want to see how I get from this forest to that gentle, cute man, keep on watching. And yes, hubby has a whole lot of gray hair. He started getting gray in his 20s, like in his early 20s. So it's a thing of genetics and not age. So with that being said, guys, let's get right into the video. I hope you guys enjoy it, and subscribe, comment, and like.
I don't know what I could say to convince you.
Alright guys, so I did use number 4 clip for the whole entire haircut. I just switched once. That was when I was giving him the shape, just to get the contour all around the perimeter of his head. So I did remove the comb and then use a bare blade on the machine just to give him a clean shape. But for the entire haircut, I used clip number 4. So yes, overall it did turn out really nice, even though he was kind of like, am I going to be having some bald patches on my head now? Like, well, I don't care. If there was a bald patch, then he has to he has to move around like that. And yeah, but it didn't happen. I did try. So yes, I was just taking my time and just following the opposite direction of his hair growth and just shaving until I got a smooth carpet grass on his head, like smooth.
And be my somebody to love. Somebody to love, somebody to love,
Alright guys, so at this point I was almost done, and I used the hairbrush to sweep away and buff out all fallen hairs. And I told him, yes, next I am going to contour the 360 of your head. And he was like, no girl, that's not happening. I was like, no, it's gonna happen. Like, okay. At this point he was checking out. He was really checking out on the mirror, like, I started this job, I might as well finish it. Okay, so you better sit down, let me give you that 360 contour. So I'm not doing no unfinished job. I am going to finish my job. I started it, I must finish. Yes.
Let me be honest. I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you gotta be listening. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing